What will future automobiles have to offer? Imagine a world where cars can drive themselves, communicate with each other to prevent accidents, and even heal themselves after a fender bender. A world where vehicles are powered by renewable energy sources and can even transform into different modes of transportation depending on your needs. This is not a sci-fi movie, but the reality of what future automobiles have to offer. Welcome back to the second part of What Will Future Automobiles Have to Offer? In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge technology and innovations that will revolutionize the way we drive and shape the future of transportation. Get ready to buckle up and take a glimpse into the incredible future of automobiles. With the massive shift towards autonomous driving, future cars will have the capability to drive themselves, freeing up times for drivers to do other things like work, read, or just relax. This will revolutionize the way we commute and will also have a significant impact on road safety. Similarly, with the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, cars will be able to communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure, improving traffic flow and reducing accidents. They will also be equipped with in-car entertainment systems that allow you to stream music and videos and even access the internet. More so, in line with the world's effort to combat climate change, future automobiles will also focus on being eco-friendly. Similarly, cars powered by alternative energy sources like electric or hydrogen fuel cells are expected. These vehicles will emit significantly less pollution, making them a better choice for the environment and our health. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to automobiles, and the future is no exception. Future cars will be equipped with advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and automatic emergency braking. These features will make our roads safer and prevent accidents from happening. So, what do you think of future cars? Could it be a fantasy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notifications for more exciting content. Now, back to futuristic automobiles. As an introduction to future automobiles, we have carefully researched some prototypes for your consumption. These will give you insights about what to expect in the nearest future concerning automobiles. They are, but are not limited to, Audi Sky Sphere. As soon as you lay your eyes on this stunning car, you'll be blown away by its intimidating presence with its menacing black and gray color combination. The Audi Sky Sphere is an electric car with a powerful engine that generates 623 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. This means you can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. But that's not all. This sophisticated car has a mechanism that allows the wheelbase and exterior to extend by 250 millimeters and the ground clearance to increase by 10 millimeters. Audi calls this the Grand Touring mode, turning the Sky Sphere into a Level 4 autonomous vehicle. The steering wheel folds as the pedals disappear into the dashboard, making the interior minimalistic yet stylish with its full dashboard screen and touchscreens for armrests. The hood stretches as far as the horizon with no engine inside. But don't worry, Audi has replaced the conventional grille with a bunch of LED lights that illuminate according to the driving mode and what the car is doing, such as turning or unlocking. Conclusively, the Audi Sky Sphere is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement of how far we've come in terms of automobile technology and how far we're willing to go to make driving more convenient and stylish. Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion. Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion is not just a concept car, but a research vehicle that is paving the way for the future of automobiles. The F015 is a unique and innovative car that is unlike anything you have seen before. The body is made from a combination of steel, aluminum, and high-strength carbon fiber, making it not only visually appealing, but also incredibly durable. The absence of a B-pillar makes it easier for all 4 passengers to access the interior and enjoy a more spacious room inside. And getting in and out of the car is made even easier thanks to the suicide doors. The F015 is a pure electric car that runs on hydrogen fuel cells, allowing it to cover 560 miles before needing to recharge and refuel. The car even has the ability to drive itself, which not only makes life easier for you, but also maximizes the efficiency of the car. And when you let the car drive itself, the steering wheel collapses into the dashboard, making the front seat slide and swivel to facilitate face-to-face conversation between passengers. Multimedia screens are also an important feature of the F015. With 5 screens in total, they appear in the most unusual spots, including the rear wall and each of the 4 doors. The screens not only add to the aesthetics of the car, but also provide a wealth of information and entertainment options for the passengers. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion is a research vehicle that is pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. With its unique design, electric power, and hydrogen fuel cells, it is a perfect example of what the future of automobiles has to offer. Audi Icon. The Audi Icon is a prime example of what's to come. This concept car is not only sleek and aerodynamic, but it is also packed with advanced technology. Starting with the exterior, the Icon doesn't stray too far from the traditional sports car design. It's 5.4 meters long, has 26-inch wheels, flared fenders, and a low riding position. It's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Moving on to the interior, the Icon takes advantage of the spacious room to provide 2 front seats that swivel and slide and a small rear bench. It's a major overhaul from traditional car interiors. The traditional steering wheel and dashboard have been replaced with an onboard computer referred to as PIA. This computer can recognize passengers by their phones and adjust the vehicle settings based on safe preferences such as seating position, ambient lighting, and overall cabin comfort. PIA also responds to voice commands for navigation and multimedia, making it easier and more convenient for you to control the car while on the road. And with 2 electric motors producing a total of 350 horsepower, you'll be able to enjoy a smooth and quiet ride. The battery will last for about 500 miles before needing to be recharged. To give you even more comfort along the journey, the Icon comes with air suspension and 4-wheel steering. Mini Vision Next 100. The future of automobiles is changing, and Mini is leading the charge. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a concept car that takes the idea of a connected and intelligent vehicle to the next level. The car is designed to be summoned by the driver from any location, and it will pick you up wherever you are and adjust all the settings to your preferences. Measuring 3,620 millimeters long, Vision Next is shorter than the current Mini hatchback, but longer than the original model. This concept car offers both manual and autonomous driving options. If you want to take control, you can drive manually, but if you're in a hurry or just want to relax, simply slide the steering wheel to the center of the dashboard and let the car do the rest. Although there are no details yet about the specifications, the car will likely use BMW's electric powertrain. The interior of the car is also designed to be highly customizable, with ambient lighting and graphics that can be changed to match your preferences. Mini even offers a customized package to switch the content of the onboard information. As we've seen, the cars of the future will offer amazing new features that will change the way we think about transportation. These changes will not only make our daily commutes more efficient and comfortable, but also have the potential to transform entire industries and reshape our cities and societies. And with so much on the horizon, we can't wait to see what the future holds. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications as well so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. And if you have any thoughts or comments, let us know in the comment section below.